Trying to find Barco in the middle, able to skip away. He's got Mulroney as an option. Barco! We thought there were going to be a lot of Atlanta fans here. It is loud in response to Ezequiel Barco's opening goal.
Well, it's excellent build-up from Atlanta United. The way they were able to move the ball quickly. Leal gets beat there. Escobar steps into the midfield. This is the one that takes two players out of it. Godoy gets sucked towards it. Eric Miller starts to gamble. Barco nutmegs him. Everybody's backing off, and he just bends it into the corner. Lovely finish. He's got Mulroney wide. Eric Miller, instead of engaging there,